Hello everyone, we're going to take a closer look at the fascinating life cycle of butterflies. It begins with stage 1, the egg. Female butterflies carefully lay their eggs on plants, and these eggs come in various shapes and textures. The time it takes for them to hatch varies depending on the species. Moving on to stage 2, the caterpillar. After hatching, these tiny creatures start their journey by munching on leaves as they grow, as they shed their skin multiple times to accommodate in their increasing size. It's incredible to think that caterpillars can grow up to over 100 times their initial size. Now let's explore stage 3, the pupa. The caterpillar undergoes a remarkable transformation inside a protective case called the pupa or cyclus. This stage can last for weeks to months, depending on the environmental conditions. Finally, we reach stage 4, the emergence of the butterfly. As the pupa splits open, a wet, wrinkled butterfly emerges. Over time, its wings dry and expand with the help of a liquid called hemolymph. Once ready, the butterfly ready takes flight and ready to feeding and mating. Now let's shift our focus to the origins of the butterflies. These majestic creatures originated in North or Central America about 100 million years ago. They evolved from moths to take advantage of the nectar from flowering plants during the day. This groundbreaking discovery was made by over 80 scientists, including NHM's researcher Vijay Barb. The study was published in the prestigious journal Natural Ecology and Evolution and involved a collaboration of 88 researchers from 28 countries. They utilized advanced techniques such as genetic sequencing and biodiversity informatics to unravel the mysteries of the butterfly evolution. As we understand the importance of the host plants, it is crucial for the butterfly for conservation. Initially, butterflies feed on legumes, but modern butterflies prefer one or two specific host plants. Protecting these plants is essential for the survival of butterfly species. Vijay Barv, a researcher at NHM, has had a long fascination with butterflies. He's witnessed the life cycle of the Indian common crow butterfly, sparking his passion for butterflies, observation, and documentation on platforms like iNaturalist. Barf's contributions to biodiversity research are invaluable, as a leading observer for the National Garden Survey and a coordinator for the events like City Nature Challenge and India's National Moth Week. He's played a significant role in awareness about butterflies and their conservation. Did you know that there are more than 700 species of butterflies currently inhabiting in the U.S.? Their habitats are intricately linked to the dominant plant life and the relative wetness of the environment they inhabit. These inhabits can broadly characterize into three major divisions: forests, treeless regions such as prairies and tundra, and wetlands. Let's continue our exploration of butterflies with a focus on their diversity and distribution. Butterflies scientifically classified as Insecta Lepidra, representing a stunning array of species. They can be found across various terrestrial macrohabitats, including forests, horticultural plantations, crop fields, gardens, and other vegetated areas. Their widespread distribution highlights their adaptability to a diverse range of environments. To explore the enduring presence of butterflies in popular culture, now let's dive into how these delicate creatures have captivated our imagination across various mediums. In art and literature, butterflies can often symbolize change and transformation. Renowned artists like Vincent van Gogh and Claude Monet have depicted butterflies in their works, while authors such as Vladimir Nabokov and Gabriel Garcia Marquez have used them as a powerful literary motifs. Moving on to fashion and design, butterfly motifs are incredibly popular. You'll often find them adorning clothing, jewelry, and accessories. Their graceful appearances symbolizes femininity, freedom, and spiritual, making them uh, as a sought-after choice for many. Let's con- Now let's consider the presence of butterflies in film and television. They frequently appear, symbolizing themes of transformation and hope. For instance, in the movie Silence of the Lambs, the antagonist uses a butterfly chrysalis to represent his own metamorphosis. Music also frequently references butterflies. Artists across genres use them in lyrics and album artwork to evoke feelings in beauty and transcendence. Songs like Mariah Carey's Butterfly and BTS' Butterfly are just a few examples of this. Lastly, in many cultures, butterflies hold a deep symbolic meaning. They are seen as symbols of spiritual growth, renewal, and the soul's journey. Their presence is often associated with good luck or messages from the divine. In conclusion, butterflies hold a significant place in cultural consciousness. They represent themes of beauty, transformation, and the fleeting of natural life. Across art, literature, fashion, and beyond, these creatures continue to inspire and captivate